Well, it's beginning of November here in the perennial garden that we have for the butterflies and the pollinators. We don't see any butterflies anymore, but we do have got bee action on our aster. This is a perfect time of year for the aster to be blooming, and it attracts the pollinators. Then you have the lantana that's still blooming, and some of the other vinca and other zinnia annuals that are still blooming. The sedum has just passed its bloom time, so it'll be forming seed heads. And then the butterfly weed is going to seed over here. So we'll collect some of this seed to plant for this next year to have more butterfly weed for the butterflies. But everything looks good here in the butterfly garden.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.